What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's having a great day. If it's your first time tuning in, please go down below, hit that like button, subscribe button, and also turn the notification bell if you guys haven't already. Guys, we got some exciting news today. Some things showed up in the mail that we've been waiting on, and the truck build, I'm just gonna say this, the truck build is definitely about to start, guys. You guys probably saw, I don't know if I'm gonna put it in early or not, but probably in the beginning clips of this video, you guys saw that we was unloading our new tires. You see them right there. We got our 40, 15, 5, 26s in the mail today, and they look good, guys. I can't believe they look good, guys. So I'm looking at them. When I was uncrating them, kind of caught me off kind of guard, because the 38s, I'm not even gonna lie, they looked bigger than the 40s width-wise. Height-wise, you definitely can tell these are 40s, but width-wise, the 38s looked wider. But I'm guessing it only looks that way because the 40s are 2 inches taller. So, you know, it doesn't look as short and fat. So, yeah, guys, we got the 40s in, brand new. I can't wait. I've been talking to wheel guy, and the wheels should actually be in next week, guys. They were finishing up the powder coat. All they had to do was go off the polish. They had to polish them, and after that, we're gonna box them up and ship them out. So, fingers crossed, next week we'll get the wheels. I'm anxious to get them, but at the same time, once we get them, we really can't do anything with them besides just get them mounted on the tires maybe, because the truck is not, you know, lifted yet. So that's what this video comes into play with our second package that came in the mail today, which is our Sunex jacks right here. Yes, we had to get, I ordered 4 Sunex jacks so we can jack the truck up. You guys know my ultimate plan and goal was to get a 2-post lift put into the shop in order for us to build this truck. But unfortunately, with timing and everything, I'm not able to get the 2-post lift done and put in or installed in the shop. So I went the alternative route and got 4 Sunex jacks so we can get the truck up in the air and pull everything off of it. And what I mean by time-wise is, yes, we have 3 months to Daytona, but time-wise, and being that the lift on the 250 is sold. It's already been sold, guys. Or let me say this, I've taken a deposit on the lift already. So I have to get it pulled off the truck so the guy can come pick it up. Therefore being, I couldn't wait to get a 2-post lift. So I had to go and get the Sunex jacks, which that's gonna work fine for now. Even though we hit a 2-post lift, we're probably gonna need Sunex jacks anyway. So it's okay for us to go ahead and get them out the way, purchase them, and have them in the shop. So what I'm gonna do is unbox these things, guys. That's basically what this video is gonna be about, is just an unboxing of the Sunex jacks and you guys seeing the 40s for the first time. I will probably do a video comparing the 38s and the 40s, because I don't have the 38s in my possession anymore. Shipped them, they're gone. So, but I took weights of the tires and measurements of the actual 38s. So we'll do the same thing with these and compare numbers. I'll do that in a later video. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get these jacks unboxed and see what they're looking like, guys. I know for a fact I carried these boxes from the front door, and these things are heavy, guys. Super, super heavy. There's 2 in each box. So it's like the UPS guy just didn't give a crap and he just threw them at the door, because you could tell they didn't show up in the best shape. They're all beat up, boxes beat up. I'm hoping every part that we need for them is in the box and nothing fell out, because I mean, there's holes everywhere, you know. So fingers crossed they're not missing anything. But you know, if it is, we just got to report it, and hopefully they can get it out to us ASAP. So let me stop talking, guys, and let me unbox these things and get along with the video. Guys, whoever said size does not matter, they lied. Check this comparison out, guys. These things are huge. These are, I want to say these are the biggest ones you can get. I forgot what the height, the specs are on it, but these are 10-ton jacks. Way overkill for a Super Duty truck, but you know, we'll be able to work under it with confidence and know it's not gonna fall on us. But I have this 6-ton jack from Harbor Freight that I'm gonna put on the side of it, and we're gonna compare the sizes. You can see, this is crazy. These things are huge, guys. Like, this video, I'm sure is not doing it any justice. If you have seen one of these in person, you know, but this thing is huge. Like, just look at the shaft of, the arm. It's as big as my arm, to be honest, if not bigger. But these things are fully adjustable. You can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 adjustment holes. Let me see what the highest height is. So the height intervals are, the max height is 17.3 inches. That don't sound right. No, that's not right. That can't be right. No, yeah, that's the smallest version of the Sunex jacks. My bad. The max height on these jacks right here is 46.5 inches of height. That's the max height, and the minimum height is 28.1. I'm not even sure if we're gonna even need to use the entire jack size. I'm thinking, I'm looking at it right now, I'm pretty sure we're not. Because, let's see, let's adjust this all the way up. All right, so this is all the way up at 46.5 inches. This is a full-on SEMA build. If you got your frame, if your frame is this high up in the air, that's full-on SEMA build, guys. We're not going that high on this build. Maybe, in the future, we'll get a new truck and maybe do something crazy like that. But for this one, we're not. I think maybe the highest we may go is probably like maybe the 4th hole. That'll put us about here. Because the frame on the truck, I don't know, guys. I'm just guessing right now. Who knows? Because I'm looking at the frame now. It is kind of high. And we're going up, we're practically doubling the lift that's already on the truck right now. So who knows? We may not end up using almost the entire height, adjustable height of these jacks. But if we do, we got it. If we don't need it, we got it anyway. So these things are crazy, guys. I'm gonna drop the link to these in the description. These are the best price. I got these for the best price that I could find at the time. I wanna say they were $239 for a pair. So yeah, I'm gonna drop that link in the description. If you guys are interested or looking for something like this, go ahead and check them out. I got them from Acme Tools online. I ordered them on Tuesday of this week. Today is Friday, so they got here pretty quick. And actually perfect timing, so because I can actually get this lift off the 250 in time for the guy to come pick it up. So that works, and yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short little video, guys. It probably won't end up being short, and I'm looking at the time right now, but hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions on these Sunex jacks, please go down below, hit in the comments, let me know, or DM me, and I will answer as many questions as I can. Like I said, these jacks are 10-ton jacks. Highest lift height or highest position height is 46.5 inches, and the lowest is 28.1. So these accomplish a large range of things that you have planned to do, lifting a truck or anything else you plan on working on. And being 10-ton jacks, you have, no doubt in these things working. So yeah, Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please go down below, hit that like button, subscribe button, and also turn on the notification bell if you guys haven't already. Stay tuned, because we will make a video on these 40s, like I said, and we got a ton of videos coming on the 250. Teardown will be one video, like I said. So you guys stay tuned, and go down below and hit that subscribe button, guys. Hope everyone has a great day. Peace.